Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. On my right hand, this is a meat vacuum tumbler marinating machines. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. The entire length of the unit is about like a 27 inches wide. And the about like a 15 and 3/4 inches deep. And the overall height of the units is almost about like a 33.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the unit is coming with two parts. So on the right hand parts, this is a controller boards with the vacuum machines inner side, and the other one, this side, is the containers. You can put all the seasoning meats inner side. And from the manufacturers, they give you some baskets, and also they give you some accessory from the machine. From the manual board side, we can see they do have a level adjusters and the timers, and also have a vacuum functions buttons right here. They do having the powers, and they give you small thermometers to show you the levels of the vacuum levels. And from the manufacturers, they give you the standard 110 plugs. And looking at the behind of the units, they give you the sticker of the machines, the details, and also they do have a caps from the manufacturer. Give you this, you can seal all the things inner side. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.